So I know you guys also get discouraged as a creator. I'm gonna show you what I do when I get discouraged, okay? Okay, welcome to my clawfist. This is where I work. And this right here is what I do when I get discouraged. I literally look at this list and I'm just like, oh my god. These are all people that like have hired me and trust me in life. And then I just think, wow, like, okay, so what I'm doing is actually valuable. Like, people are listening. People care. I think it's really important that you, like, take a moment to, like, look at the individual people who are commenting on your stuff or sending you DMs. Like, those people took time out of their day because they care, right? So, like, that's motivating. Like, that's encouraging. But it's so easy for us to be like, oh, well, there could be more people that cared, or like there could be more people who comment on my stuff, or more people that follow me. And we always want like more. But we're never just like soaking up the difference we've already made, you know?